Hello tubers, it is Wednesday and Rosie girl is off today and so I've been getting on her nerves for quite some time to get me up there. You see that empty space there? Get me some more shelving up here for some more of my tractors. See, I have the floating shelves that you put up last year here, and I was just gonna have a couple of shelves here, so in order to make that more aesthetic looking, we decided to make actually 3 shelves here, and that should be then absolutely plenty to put out some more of stuff that I have packed up. And then in case I get here and there maybe another new one sent from some of my fans, because I did have a fan that did send me a couple new ones, I can put them up, so really excited about that. So there's the Rosie girl.
Yeah, we're going to be doing our carpenter thing today. So we're going to put 3 36-inch shelves on that side. We got no problem with finding good studs behind the wall to attach to. These aren't real heavy, but we're going to put that little lip on there as usual, because during the earthquake in August, these things, I could hear them sort of moving a little bit, some of them, but none of them came down on top of my head while I was sleeping here. So that's a good thing. So to help balance out on the left-hand side over here, with the right-hand side. So I'm going to go do some cutting and get started here.
So I already took the pictures off yesterday, cleaned all this off, get everything ready for the Rosie girl. Mamacita is going to go and run some errands, and then I will be back in a little bit and maybe get some footage of progress on this project here, so stay tuned. Here are the 3 shelves. She's already put one coat on, and there you can see the 1 by 1, no, 2 by 2, I'm not sure what it is. Underneath, attached. So yeah, sweet. Let's get ready, 1 coat on it. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna paint them or if she's gonna put them on first, or what we're gonna do, I don't know. So I'm gonna have to consult with her on that, but she's got already everything marked on the walls, so we'll check that out and then go from there. Okay, so we're inside now and it's kinda hard to see, but we have here a line coming from here to here, and they're going to be all symmetrically lined up. The next shelf will be here, going over there, and then the next one up here, coming over this way. They all will stop here. So basically from right over here over to there. I'm gonna have 1, 2, 3 shelves right there. Okay, Rosie girl already made the holes. I'm not sure if you can sound them here. I know I can't. Oh, there's one there. And there.
Come on, Mandy, Georgie, come on. Let's go.
Okay, and then there's holes over here.
Let's go.
Okay, let me go closer, duh. Okay, so there's hole. That's where the beams are. So we've got the shelving all painted and everything. So got the whole got the shelves painted. Holes are drilled and everything, so Rosie's getting ready to put the first shelf on. So, yeah, Mamacita's getting excited. The first shelf is up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
Yeah, y'all missed the struggle on that thing.
Yeah, Rosie girl has had a heck of a struggle there.
That was tough. We got it up. These screws.
Yeah.
They're cheap, these dacrytized ones, but you can see the heads just tear up in them. That's no good.
Yeah. So now you got...
I got grabber, which is, I don't usually use it too often. It's kind of construction grade. It's got a much hardened head on it and everything, and it's a thinner sort of screw.
And they go right in, eh?
And yeah, it's a thinner screw, and it doesn't have the galvanization on it, so it has less friction going in. So yeah,
Sweet.
So getting ready to mark the next one, because that took about 5 minutes more than I thought it would. So plus I'm working at bad angles here with. I can't really get good access or good ladder.
Well, are you going to need your little ladder thing?
No, because the ladder will just dent the floor now. It's missing the cups on the feet.
Oh my goodness for myself. Yeah, we don't want that to happen.
Nope. Okay. Pre-drill these.
Not to
Don't
mention.
have a good size intermediate drill bit.
Yeah, I found one outside, a little
Yeah,
one.
that's the little one I need. So.
Yeah, I put it on the
I'm gonna step up to a little bigger size. I don't need to go through a ton of this material
yeah.
to get it. I'm gonna go outside so I don't mess up the room anymore here. This thing doesn't have a very good clutch on it. Never buy tools on sale. Keep this out here because we're going to need to drill the next one here.
Yeah.
Problem is these studs are like a rock, this redwood. Solid redwood, so. I give up on screws, guys. It's time for plan B. Just marring it all up. That old redwood is just too, it's like a rock. Clean that edge up a little. It's got a little mucked up. Never had any of this trouble in the first one.
Well, sometimes you
Well,
have to improvise.
Where'd
That's
our level go? Well, as long as we got one strong
what
one up.
it's all about. The level is on the bottom shelf, I think. On the bottom shelf. Yeah. There we go.
That's good. Nice and level with.
Alright.
Kind of whacked out of it. It's hard. So let's see if I got a better, more suitable nail. Might try the stud over here for a screw. Soap is so dry now.
Alright guys, we'll be back
We'll be
later.
back when I'm done cussing and shit.
When we're done throwing stuff and cussing, yelling and
Being all
screaming. So, see y'all in a little bit. So, just when we turn the camera off, it's almost like the curse of the camera when you turn the camera on.
That counter sunk beautifully, that grabber. So we got one more shelf to put up. I'd like to not use nails, but you know, one is okay because you can see it kind of pushes the screw through the drywall.
Yeah.
So you don't want to do that, but Jen's going to have her stuff sitting and she'll touch everything up with some paint anyway.
Right.
Here for a little final sand and then...
So that screw went right smooth in. As soon as I turned the camera on, it went...
Yeah, that one was real good.
It went in like butter.
That one was really good, so standing back looking...
So sweet, eh?
Looking good, yeah. So
Looking good, eh?
Be able to put your other tractors up there. So we got one more to get up there. Let me get the last one. So.
All right, so
Sweating like a pig.
Sweating like a pig. Yeah, it is hot out. Anyways, we'll be back when the third shelf is up, and then I will next week when I have it touched up, and I have taken some of the tractors from up here, maybe reorganized and put some of them up here, and taken out some of the boxes, reorganized.
Well, I figured I didn't have my monkey hat on. That was the problem.
Yeah, and I found it under the bed.
So things should go good now.
So yeah, from here on out, smooth sailing, eh?
Hey.
Alrighty, peeps.
Sailing, hey.
So we'll be back
When the cussing's done.
when it's all daunted.
Sorry.
What are you doing? Huh?
I was freaking my sack with the drill there, so there we go. We're all done. Got them all chooched good. They're going to be nice and strong. Ain't nothing going to knock them down. So they'll hold anything. They got the good lip on the front, so they could definitely use one more coat of paint.
Yeah.
So you'll get them painted in position, and you'll be careful, right?
I'll do some caulking over the
And you'll be careful that you don't fall down over here.
Yeah, I know. I can actually reach that from without ladder or anything.
Yeah, rub it in, right? So.
No, I mean that
Stuff
way.
went rough here until
I found your lucky hat.
right, and on all of a sudden the screws
Things just went
fired in
smooth.
beautifully.
You got your craftswomanship back.
Got my craftswomanship back. So.
Yippee!
So I'm going to put this away. You tell them what you're going to do tomorrow.
So I'm very, very happy and very thankful. So tomorrow I'm going to touch up. I'm going to, where the screws are in here, I'm going to put some caulking over that and fill that in. And then I'm going to get the white paint out and touch up the fronts here and touch the front up here on all three. And then we are going to unpack some more tractors and stuff, and then yeah, like I said earlier, I will probably move some of these here over here maybe, and then just kind of bring in the new ones from the boxes and shuffle some in here and then shuffle some in here, and then show you what it all looks like in a separate video. So yeah, I'm really excited. So thank you for watching. And as always, stay tuned for many more fun videos to come. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and we are both sending you hugs, love, and kisses. Mwah. Toodles.